Do you want to travel on your own, away from the tour groups, but don't know where to start? Do you have questions on how to plan and prepare for a long road trip or a trip abroad? Well, if so, you have found the right channel. Find out how to do all those things and more from our perspective, a retired couple out and about enjoying the world around us. We'll provide ideas on where to go, how to get there, and what to see when you arrive. Hello, we are Fred and Linda with New Venture, New Day. Since starting our YouTube channel Adventure a couple years ago, we've learned that focus is one of the keys to success on YouTube, and our focus at New Venture, New Day going forward will be on travel and events. Our retirement journeys have taken us to some very interesting places and fun events. We plan our own trips with our own homegrown tools, take our time traveling, sometimes get off the beaten path, and test different ways of getting around. Our videos will provide you with useful tips and advice for making your own travel plans. The dust has just settled on our most recent adventure to Europe, starting in the UK with a brief stop in Belgium for an extended stay in Germany. It was a trip filled with castles, monuments, museums, and attractions in not only the commonly visited tourist areas, but in some out-of-the-way places as well. We traveled extensively by train for most of our journey, and we have lots of tips on doing that. We'll be rolling out videos from that trip over the next few weeks. If you're interested in planning a road trip in the U.S., we already have a series posted from a month-long journey we made to several national parks in the Southwest in 2025. That's great info if you plan on making a road trip of your own. Hop on and let's get started on the journeys.